Hello guys!
Hey y'all!
Welcome back to Kim's Farmhouse Life.
We are doing a grocery haul. I haven't done one of these in a while because honestly, I have not done a big grocery shopping trip in a while. I've just been kind of getting a little bit here and a little bit there.
So we went to Walmart. Our total is going to be right here. That's how much we spent. It's a very big haul because we have not been grocery shopping in a while and we're trying to stock up on some stuff.
Yep.
So.
We did buy some meat probably a few weeks ago, so
yeah.
We should be good on meat. If I do, I may just run to the meat market one day this week and get a little bit more, but for now, it's a bunch of other stuff. So
yeah, if you enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on for all of my mom's newest videos. And let's get straight on to the video. So the first thing we got was some Black Forest ham for a recipe that we're making tonight.
Yes, and plus this is like our favorite, or my husband's favorite lunch meat.
I like turkey, though. I like both of them, though all the boys really like ham, so we got that. We have some smoked sausage, the Eckrich, some crinkle cut fries. We also have some shredded hash browns.
Yep.
These are the hash browns, and these are like
these are the cubed ones. We have some recipes coming up using those.
We have seasoned fries, some chimichangas. We have actually two. These are beef and bean, and these are spicy jalapeno with bean and cheese.
And I like these. These are, we'll just throw these in the fryer, not the air fryer, or actually deep fryer. And they're good just for something quick.
We have some toaster strudels for mornings, for morning breakfasts. Some sour cream. We have 3 cans of pinto beans, the ranch style. 2 of the hormel chili no beans, and 2 of these Great Northern beans. Also have some half and half, and orange juice, some bananas, Velveeta slices.
This is our favorite that we always buy.
We put on sandwiches, put on everything. These blueberry pancake and sausage on a stick. Adrian really likes these for breakfasts. We have 3 of these Chobani flips. These are really good. We got the salted caramel crunch. My favorite is the mint chocolate chip and the s'mores.
I noticed you did not buy any of my favorites.
You didn't tell me. We got some whole milk, some green chili.
Because we could not find the green chilies in a can. I don't know, what is it? Is there like a shortage? The last time I did a grocery haul, I had to buy this because I couldn't find the cans. But
we have some sugar in the raw. Anyway,
I like this. This is what I use. This is the sugar I use in my coffee. I don't know. I just like it.
She likes it. We also got some Jarritos fruit punch. A lot of y'all probably haven't heard of this, though. It's really good.
Usually we buy them in smaller bottles. And
they
the kids
only
pick
had
their flavors.
one of them, and so we just got a big one. It's only like 98 cents. So if you want some, go ahead and check.
Our Walmart was out of a lot of stuff. I don't know. Maybe everybody was grocery shopping.
So now we're coming over here. We got some of flour tortillas.
I bought the bigger ones.
Yellow cornmeal. We have 2 cucumbers. We can't really see them that well, but we got 2 cucumbers. We got, what is this?
Cilantro.
Sometimes I get mixed up. These are green onions.
Yes.
See, I'm remembering. Green onions. We have 1 bell pepper and 2 Roma tomatoes. We have some lettuce. This is our favorite bread to get. It's the Nature's Own.
The butter bread. We love this bread.
We have 2 of these Sara Lee Sweet Hawaiian rolls that we're going to be using for
We'll make a video on that.
For tonight, right?
Yep.
My favorite chips are the Chex Mix Cheddar. As long as, we opened up, we did.
Yeah, we were in the car already eating them.
They do not have Spanish rice
that we normally buy.
So we got this Uncle Ben's Ready Rice.
Microwavable one.
We already got that.
No, did we already say cornmeal? I don't remember.
We have the Grab and Go Frosted Donuts. Adrian wanted those. Mama grabbed her these little crackers.
No, I haven't seen these in a while. They're the jalapeno. Let's see if it'll focus. The jalapeno cheddar.
She really likes these.
Yeah.
We like the munchies. This is the chili lime Cholula hot sauce. We've been using it so often.
So we already ran out, so we got more.
We have some thin spaghetti noodles. Some original Velveeta. Is this like the liquid?
No, that's the
gold.
big. The liquid gold. It's the big block of it that melt. You melt down.
Yeah. We have some. Did we write cream cheese? I don't know if I showed that.
No.
Adrian wanted these white cheddar bites Cheetos. Some corn chips
for a recipe.
They're off brand. They are actually really good.
Yep.
We have 2 of the chicken broth. This is unsalted.
Huh, I didn't even know that, but that's good though.
This is fettuccine noodles. We also got these Be My Valentine's like brownies because around holidays, like their brownies and stuff are really good. Just for a little snack.
Non-food items, y'all.
We have Q-tips.
She's moving so fast.
Sorry.
And I like this hairspray.
She really liked this. One smells really good.
Y'all, we had to get a new washer and dryer because it was struck by lightning. Yeah. So I got one of these surge protectors. I'm going to plug my washer in. We can't do it with the dryer, but at least for the washer.
We got some Dr. Teal's foaming bath stuff. This is the sleep bath.
Stuff. I haven't tried, yeah. I usually get just the lavender one, but I thought I'd get this one.
We got the 18 pack of hangers. I needed some new mechanical pencils for school, so we got some of those. Mom got some iron pills, some tape. And I've been making bracelets a lot, guys. I don't think I'm wearing any of mine today. No.
I have one on. I could show you. Well, where is it, Courtney?
It's right here.
Pull it out. My jacket's over it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, she made me that one. If it doesn't want to focus. Just let still. It's not focusing.
Okay, whatever. I got a little roll of thread. I like that color. We got some paprika.
This is actually for my friend. I'm going to be sending to her,
Fajita
Monique.
seasoning. And this is the OxyClean Max Force Gel like stain remover.
Yeah, I want to try that. I have the method kind, but I've been out, and so I just decided
we got
to try
some
that.
Colby and Monterey Jack cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese.
And this time I bought the 4-cup bag or the 1-pound bag because I'd been buying the 2-cup bag and figured, hey, why not? Okay.
This is some French fries onions. We like using these in some of we put them on salads, recipes, anything like that. We got some sugar and some flour. Fruity Pebbles, because this is one of Adrian's favorite cereals.
I love that cereal.
We got some these Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits
I love
mix. Those are really good. And I picked out these cookie brownie bars from Betty Crocker.
She likes to bake.
I like
She's
this.
gonna make those.
We got 2 of these Salsa and Goya like little packets.
Yeah, the packets. We use these a lot, especially my husband.
And we got some Cheez-It grips because these are really good for a little afternoon snack because they're very little.
Oh, sorry, I'm knocking stuff over.
If that was too fast, I'm sorry.
I know, she was like speed talking.
It's okay though.
But anyways, this was all from Walmart. Here, I'm gonna flip around. Yeah, this was all from Walmart. And so, like I said, we'll have the total along the bottom of the screen. I think it was like $175 something. But anyways, yeah. We just thought we'd do a grocery haul. It's been a little bit, but thank you all so much for watching.
And y'all have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.